How to fix voicemail notification not working in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now click on do not disturb, and here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications and then click on app notifications. Now here you can enable your voicemail app notification, then simply click on this option to turn on your app notification. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.